Can you guess what this is? It's a fridge drip pan. And I took it out without breaking it. Many subscribers ask me, how did you do to take out the tray from the refrigerator? Come to the video and I'll show you. Well, look, here is the tray. You see that it doesn't come out. You shoot at it, and it doesn't go off. I moved it to one side. I moved it to the other.
No
It
sale.
does not come out.
Bueno.
Well, you have to put your hand in through here, look. Through this part of the refrigerator. And look down here. Right there in the center. Right in the center there is a little tab. That tab, they have it, just slide down. With your finger as soon as they arrive. Once the little tab arrives, push it forward a little bit. Comes up a little bit. And then they pull it backward. And there it is. There it unlocked. It is that easy. Well, not that easy. Down here, what is bothering me is, look you all. There it is. The drain hose, yes, comes behind that plastic. Well then, since the drain hose is bothering me, it has to be pushed downwards. There. The only thing I did was the drain hose. I routed it this way. And there it comes out. This is the latch that I was telling you about. See how the little latch is?
Ven,
This one you have to push down, a little bit forward, and then backward. Is that the way in which this drain pan is removed from the refrigerator? Fridge or freeze, or freezer. I don't know what they call it in your country. Well, now we are going to put it. Once you clean it with water and soap first, then you disinfect it if they want with bleach. What they have to do is put it back in its place. Look at how the latch is here. Look at how the latch is. You can see the latch there. Oh, I don't know if it's possible. There is the latch, see? That arrow comes, enters here and latches back here. So well, now we have to put it in. Once you have cleaned it with soap and water, or water and detergent, what needs to be done is to put it back in place. First we make sure the hose passes underneath, and then we look for it to fit into place. Putting it in is easier than taking it out, yes. Come. There our functional tray is now ready again. For repair videos. For someone more technical. What happens if it cools upstairs? The freezer freezes and below it does not cool. What are the ways to know myself, like without being a technician, how? Check if my refrigerator has gas or does not have gas. All those videos, follow me on my YouTube channel. That I am going to show you how they are made. So well, I hope the video has been useful. Greeting. Thank you very much for watching this far.